Give the world a reason to remember your name. Don't trust words, trust actions. Sometimes God breaks your heart to save your soul. You cannot do epic things with an average attitude. Do you want to be at my level? Climb, bitch. Don't play with me, either I will start playing with you. I have an attitude that is beyond your level. Beauty is only skin deep. Attitude is in the blood. Broken people are stronger because they know how to survive. Don't be a slave in heaven. Be a king of hell. You need my attention, then change your intention. Never interrupt me when I am trying to ignore you. If they make you an option, make them your history. Money did not give me this attitude gave me money. Ignore your failure like how your crush ignores you.